Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. Today is my updated brows. Actually, it's not updated because I think this is my first brows tutorial. But anyways, you guys know I love fluffy brows and I've been doing fluffy brows for such a long time. And I feel like I kind of mastered it a little bit, but this is my way of doing it. Please do not judge me, but it works for me. If you guys are interested in how do I create this fluffy brows lifted look, honey, please keep watching. Before we start, please go and follow my Instagram and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. I reshaped my brows about a week ago, so it's actually not so bad. You can see there's some new hair growing out here. So that's what I normally use, like a mini razor for my brows. For the new hair that it has grown, you just shaved it. And because I want to achieve that lifted look, I kind of imagine it to be a bit more straight like this. I'm gonna fill them in, imagining the shape after you apply the brow gel, which is completely lifted. Don't worry about the shape too much as well, because you can always clean them up. So I would like it to be a bit more straight. I'm gonna use the Anastasia brow gel, brows free, sorry. Oh, so satisfying, it's brand new. I feel like these brows of mine is easy to handle. I normally apply the brows freeze for 2 times. And you will also clean up this part so it's a bit more lifted after. Apparently, we need to fill in here. As you guys can see, there's a gap here and here. And yes, we'll just retouch it. Okay guys, so this side is dry now. I'm just gonna apply the second layer. Side is already dried and we're gonna fill them in right now. After we fill them in, we're gonna clean up. Don't worry if your shape is not perfect, okay? Here. Now we should clean up the top parts as well. Let's say I don't want to pluck my brows because I'm scared and I don't know how would they look after. Kind of just hide this bit and look at the mirror and see how would I look. I feel like we can actually pluck off this bit down here, because to give it a bit more like a lifted look, I feel like I need to get rid of this part here. I filled them in now. Okay, I want to show you guys something. This tool here, right here, there's a bit of the white stuff on it. So you just basically use a mortar and then use a spoolie and they'll be gone. And that's it. I just plucked a few hairs here. And it was a bit hard to do in front of the camera. And a few hairs from here. They look very clean right now. I know it's a bit dangerous to pluck your eyebrows when you have the brow gel. I just did a little bit. I think they're perfect. I hope you guys enjoy my updated brow tutorial. I really enjoyed creating them. Maybe it's a bit risky to pluck your brows after you have the brow gel, but at the same time, I feel like that's the shape that you will know. Oh, by the way, I forgot the most important step. Highlighter. A little trick that you can actually make it look like it's really lifted. At the bottom of your brows, you just put the highlighter there, make it more straight. So it just kind of look more like lifted. That's how they look now. Okay guys, I just finished doing my brows and I love it. Honestly, the highlighter really does make a difference. When you put it more straight, it kind of gives it a bit more like a lifted look. And this is my final check and I love it. It just gives you like a fox eye moment. It just looks really straight from the side, as you can see. What do you think of my brows? This side of my brows, the brows hair is not as long as the other one, and I kind of have to extend it and elongate the eyebrows. Oh my god, lifted. Lifted, honey. Lifted. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you guys like today's video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of me plugging my brows after I fill them in. I mean, I know it's risky, but I really do live for that perfect makeup look. So yes, what do you guys think? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram, and see you guys next time.